Open the ViPlex Express software. And click the schedule icon at the top. Click New Schedule. There are some parameters that can be adjusted, such as resolution, etc. Click Add Solution. Select the solution name for which you want to create a schedule. Click plus New in Calendar View. Here are some scheduling options to choose from. After making your selection, click OK. At this point, you can see the weekly program schedule in the visualization below. Then you can add another schedule. You can then add another schedule. And you'll see your weekly program schedule in this chart. After creating the schedule, select the screen you want to send to and click Send. Wait for loading to complete. And a message indicating successful submission will appear.